Today's chief guest, Professor K. Chandrasekhar Garu of JNU Ahmedabad, Director Ministry Mahendra Reddy, convener of this event, Mr. Sanjeev, Bellow Principal, Bailapalli Garu, Shekhar, and all other dignitaries and leaders, respected guests, media friends, dear children and respected faculty members, at the outset, let me pose a question. Why a college conducts this type of tech fest? Is it to increase the crazy among the students? A college, as you know, engineering colleges are conducting such type of tech fests. ఎందుకు ఈ ఫెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు? కాలేజీ క్రేజ్ పెంచుకోవడం కొరక? అంతా మనమే కాబట్టి నిజాలు మాట్లాడతాం. I think there is no Pakistani in this meeting. లేదా స్టూడెంట్ కమ్యూనిటీలో ఒక టచ్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం, ఒక మంచి స్పర్శను క్రియేట్ చేయడం కొరక? Yes, it is. Because your engineering career requires some special features unlike other courses. For any development, for that matter, for an individual development or for any institute development, there are only two things to be considered. Number one, ఏ వ్యక్తి అయినా ఏ వ్యవస్థ అయినా అభివృద్ధి కావాలంటే రెండే విషయాలు. ఒకటి బై కాంపిటీషన్, సెకండ్ పాయింట్ బై కోఆపరేషన్. You know about the competition. So this tech fest provides the best platform for these two things. Number one, competition. Number two, cooperation. The major advantages of this type of events: you can interact with other students.